Welcome back, my tech gurus. In today's video, we'll be doing another Minecraft tutorial. Hello ladies and gents, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over this simple redstone cobblestone generator. It's minion friendly, meaning if you're on a server and you have a minion miner doing your mining for you, like I do, as you can tell, which he is about full, which we're about to fix. This will make, this is a 100% drop cobblestone generator, meaning you'll get all the resources. So like, for example, since I'm using a Fortune 3 pickaxe, all I gotta do is be like, oh, and I'm receiving all of them because it's avoiding going into the lava like it usually does. It is hopper expensive if you plan on doing adding the auto smelting for the iron and gold. But that's entirely optional. If you guys want to see a tutorial on how to build this or add this to this generator, there is a card displaying right now that will take you to a separate video on how to build that. It's very simple, using a simple redstone circuit, some hoppers, furnaces, and chests. With that said, let's hop over to a redstone world and show you how to build this bad boy. Alright guys, so to start off, I'm gonna get a chest going here. Let's see, chest. I'm gonna put all of our redstone components in here. So we need that, we're going to need this, we're gonna need chests, we're gonna need redstone. This stuff will be needed for the furnaces. And we need the furnace. I think that's it. I'm just gonna set this up right here, like so. Put this like that. Yeah, so this is like basically the redstone stuff that you're gonna need. I'll have a list displaying as well of what you need. And now, let's build the actual generator, the skeleton of it. Okay, so this is like the skeleton. What we're gonna do here is actually build like a regular generator, essentially. And this should, by theory, make some lava or cobble. Okay, yeah, cool. So that is our basic. And so some lights up here. The basic concept of the cobblestone generator, as you can tell. And from here, you'll see why I did that in a second. You're actually going to do your piston as well. I forgot to mention that. We're going to break that, place that in, so we have a reference to go off of. And now you want to build the redstone's clock, essentially. So to do that, what I did with my first build is I built it as long as the generator itself, and then went down 6. So I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so it's 6 long and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wide. So just kind of fill this in. Falling to your death. And now, then for the actual platform itself, I want out 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I don't know why I decided to get rid of the glass like I did for my hot bar. That was kind of foolish of me. And you don't have to really put a wall in here. I just do just to, I don't know, make it look pretty, I guess. And that is basically it. That's the basic skeleton of this farm. Yeah, cobblestone generator, technically. That's what it's called, Josh. Slacking. So we're gonna move on to the redstone aspect of the build, and we're gonna go over to our chest over here that we have set up, and grab all of our utilities for this build. So we're going to actually insert the backup storage system. Basically what this is for, in case the minion runs out of inventory and it's still mining, all of the blocks that it mines will go into this hopper system. Or if you're just micro clicking, meaning you set up a macro to auto click for you while you're AFK or asleep, this would basically do the same thing for you. So to build this, we're going to need a temporary block. I'm just going to take this stone block here and go under one and place a thing, and then do it again, and there we go. So we got two hoppers going down into those blocks, which those blocks are going to then be replaced by a double chest. I almost said two chests. There we go. And then we're going to have a hopper there going into each hopper, and the same deal on the back, and then come around with whatever block that you're using, your building block. I'm going to use glass in this case, and just kind of like put a rail in, so that way the items you mine doesn't go bouncing around all over the place. So that's the storage system, the overflow system set up, and now we're going to do the actual redstone clock. So to do this, we're going to do something like that. So take a dust, place one there that's going into the piston, and go back in one row and place some redstone dust. And then the way these repeaters are going to work, they're going to go in one direction. So they're going to go on the lengthwise, and the redstone dusts are going to go onto the corners, like so. You can make this as big as you want, as long as you want, as short as you want. It really depends on what kind of speed you're looking to get. For me, I have it on the max delay, or I should say the delay that I like. It's really not the max. But I'm just going to set up what I have it on my sky block. Okay, so that is basically the redstone clock built. So essentially what is happening is we're going to place a redstone torch on one of these corners. It's going to send a signal down one way and go down this way and then go down this way and basically do a looping effect. So just to show you. And then that will, when it comes around each time, it's going to push once and send power to the piston, and the piston's going to push the block, and then you or your minion are obviously going to be down here mining the actual block. And that is basically it for the tutorial. That is super simple, real easy, not too hard. If you have any questions or run into any issues, let me know down in the comments section. Like I said, if you're looking to set up an auto smelting system, I will have a separate video for that. But with that said, I hope this video helped, and I will see you guys in the next tutorial video. Peace.